Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Aisyah Izzati binti Mahari with metric number 2116482. In this video, I will present the SPSS analysis. I am from Group 1. Our group topics is Factors Influencing Online Impulse Buying on TikTok in Malaysia, a study of beauty and skincare products. Our group successfully obtained a total of 100 respondents, and all the results shown in this video are based on those responses. So I will begin with the descriptive analysis. The mean represents the average response, while the median indicates the middle value, and the mode shows the most frequently occurring response. Moving on to the frequencies of gender, the majority of respondents are from female, while a smaller proportion are male. Next, this table presents the age distribution of the respondents. Most respondents fall within the 18 to 24 years old category, followed by those aged 25 to 34 years old. Next, this table shows the highest education level of respondents, and the majority of the respondents hold a bachelor's degree, followed by those with a diploma and master's degree. And for the profession, most respondents are students, while the rest consists of company employees, government employees, and business owners. And the last one is nationality. The majority of the respondents are Malaysians, while a smaller proportions are foreigner. And here is the pie charts. These pie charts visually represent the frequency distribution of the demographic variables. It helps to clearly illustrate the proportion of respondents in each category. From the charts, it can be observed that certain categories such as females, students, and young adults make up the majority of the respondents. So next, I will explain the reliability statistics. So for the first one, Cronbach Alpha 0.959, which is acceptable because it is more than 0.7. Moving on to the KMO and Bartlett test, the result is 0.878, which is also acceptable because it is more than 0.8. So I will continue with the total variance explain table. So since we have 6 factors, so the 6th component here is correct. And then the total variance is 78.573%, which is acceptable because it is more than 60%. Next, I will explain the rotated component matrix. As you guys can see from the earlier output, some of the variables were mixed up and did not clearly belong to a single component. So several times it showed cross-loadings where one variable loaded into one more than one component. It makes the result difficult to interpret. To improve the clarity of the factor structure, I rerun the analysis several times by deleting a few variables that had low factor loadings and cross-loadings. So in this analysis, I have used very much rotation to simplify the factor structure and to enhance interpretability. And after all of this adjustment, the final rotated component matrix show a much clearer structure where each remaining variables load strongly onto one component. And most factor loadings are above 0.6, which indicates good construct validity and a well-organized factor solution. That's all from me. Thank you.